Hey everyone, it's Dan with 9 on Cravings. Welcome back to another video, and today we're making a good classic, but mini size cheesecake. I mean, what's not to love about cheesecake? It's cheesecake, whether it's big, medium, small. But today we are making mini cheesecake bites 3 different ways. It was going to be 4, but I chose 3. And shoot, we're making mini cheesecake bites in 3 different flavors, which is going to be strawberry crunch, cookies and cream, and turtle. The cheesecake recipe that I'm using is just a basic cheesecake recipe. The cheesecake recipe I'm doing now is pretty much the same recipe that I used in my strawberry crunch cheesecake video. And if you haven't seen that before, where I'll put a link up above and a link down below. You get what I'm saying. But yeah, we're gonna just do that quick and simple cheesecake recipe, and we're gonna have delicious cheesecake, mini bites, squares, rounds. Let's just get into the video. Alright. For the crust of the mini cheesecakes, I have 3 different crusts that we're gonna use. I have some crushed up Oreos, some crushed up graham crackers, and I have my strawberry crunch crumble. And if you haven't seen the video, which pretty much has this channel known, which is how to make the strawberry crunch crumble, this is going to be the 3rd crust that's going to be for the strawberry crunch mini cheesecake. I'm going to use it as the crust. And pretty much to get all of these ready, we're going to melt down some butter and pour in the butter into each and every one of these, get it all buttery. I mean, it's butter. Who doesn't love butter? Buttery stuff. Yeah, we're going to add butter to all these, and then we're going to fill up our cupcake cups that I got inside my cupcake pans, and then we're gonna make the cheesecake filling. So let's get the butter in. Okay, and now with the cupcake molds all filled, let's set these to the side, and now let's get to working on our cheesecake filling. For the cheesecake portion, I'm gonna speed through it, but I will tell you the basic ingredients for this cheesecake, which is 16 ounces or 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 1.5 cups sugar, 3 eggs that is come down to room temperature, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite vanilla extract. Once your mixture is all done, it should be all nice and creamy and smooth like this. Now, let's get to filling up these molds, and let's get these mini cheesecakes in the oven. I have the cupcakes mold right here. Cheesecake filling is ready. So let's go ahead and scoop into here. And I got a bowl of the cheesecake filling separate because I'm gonna mix up some of my Oreos that I crumbled up into here to make the cookies and cream for the cookies and cream cheesecake, mini cheesecake bite. Yeah. Now, let's speed through this. Okay, both trays are filled. Now let's go ahead and pop these bad boys into the oven. And now into a 350-degree oven, like I said, for 15 minutes. The mini cheesecakes are all done baking, and now you let them completely cool off. And then once they're done cooling off, to let them set enough for you to work with, at least let them sit in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Cheesecake bites are all out the fridge now. And now let's go ahead and unwrap them so that y'all can see how they really look. So here go the cookies and cream one, and all you're gonna do is just take off paper to reveal mini cookies and cream cheesecake. Like, look at that, y'all. In case y'all can see that. Y'all see how that look? Nice and set, and it looks. I ain't gonna lie. I tried one off camera, and y'all, it's busting. Just know that. That's how the cookies and cream one looks. And here goes the strawberry crunch. Gotta be a little careful with peeling off this one. Yeah. There we go. You hear how it's look, the strawberry crunch crumble as a base for a mini cheesecake. Looks different, don't it? All right, and now let me go ahead and take off the paper on a lot of these, and then I'll get right back to you. Y'all, these are looking so good, and we're about to get ready to top them. And so as you can see, I did end up doing 4 of them. Well, I'm gonna do 4 flavors. So got the cookies and cream, strawberry crunch, and then I got 6 regular with graham cracker crust. Well, 3 of them is gonna be the turtle, and then the last 3 is gonna be just a regular, a good old strawberry glaze with strawberry on top. And the first cheesecake we're gonna do are the cookies and cream. And right here, I got some cookies and cream frosting, some cookies and cream crumble that I made, and a white chocolate ganache that's gonna also go across the top of it. Go ahead and you do a little, piping of that. Coat it in the strawberry. I'm sorry, not strawberry, the cookies and cream crumble. I'm sorry, y'all. It's late. Hey, I decided to knock out this video for y'all, but you get what I'm doing with it. And then you take some of the white chocolate ganache, and we're just gonna drizzle this all over on top of it. And then if you wanna learn how to make this ganache, I also got a video too. I will post it down in the description box. So you take a small bit, not a lot, and you just work your magic on top of it. And so with this, we're gonna take some of the white chocolate ganache and we're just gonna spoon it on top and spread it out. That one and this one is dancing. Spoon it on top, spread it out, let it drip over a little bit if it needs to, you know, give it that good look. Crumble that you had left over, and you just put it on top now. And now with how I'm gonna do the turtle strawberries, I got some chopped pecans. You know, you could toast yours too if you want to for that extra flavor, but these are just some regular pecan pieces. I got some milk chocolate ganache. And now we're gonna take some of that ganache and just mix it in with the pecans right here. And how do y'all pronounce it where y'all are from? Is it pecan, pecan? How do y'all like to say it? Do that. Give them a good old mix to coat them. Nice. Chocolatey pecans. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get a good spoon of them. Get a spoon and just plop them on ever so like that. I got some homemade caramel right here. And again, if you want to know how this caramel is made, I'll put the link to the video in the description box below. You can find out how I made this caramel by going back to watch my caramel cake video. So now, take some of this caramel and just drizzle it on there, cause that's what turtle is, pretty much chocolate and caramel. Take some of it and you go back and forth that way. Bam, the mini turtle cheesecakes. And now let's do our strawberry mini cheesecakes. Now for the pure, simple and classic strawberry glazed mini cheesecakes. Right here you see I got some chopped up strawberries that I quickly cut, and we're just gonna place a couple of them on top of them just like this. Make it as pretty as you want to be. Now we're gonna take some of this and And just spoon that on top. Let that drip on down and just create magic. Bam. And those are all done. And y'all, we are all done with these. Let me clean up this board and then I will present them to you. All right, y'all, and here they all go. Mini cheesecake bites done 4 different ways. Got the cookies and cream. Focus on in right there. Got the strawberry crunch. We have the turtle. And we have the good old classic strawberry glaze. Looking très magnifique. And now let's get on to the good part. Eating them, trying them out, and I know my company is ready to try it out too. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get their reactions right now. All right, so we got Rich, CJ, and if y'all remember, this is Latisse from all the previous videos, and this is her lovely daughter. Hey, get back here.
LOL movie.
Did you say LOL movie?
I don't know.
My child is a character.
I want that.
First row.
I want
I
this
get
one.
you pick.
All right, and try one.
This is a random selection.
I'm scared.
Oh, it's time?
Yes.
I want the turtle
That's
doves.
gonna call to the board.
Get your own, Mom.
Oh, we're gonna try it. Okay, you can
Oh,
turn it on.
GM.
I'm sorry.
Turtle. The turtle.
How is it, Serenity?
Why didn't we hear your mouth open?
This is good.
It's too
I
much
got 2
vanilla
words for
though.
you.
Oh, this is good. It's like turtles.
Bussin'.
It tastes like turtles?
What I was about to say,
Oh, my God.
you gonna have to beat me out. Like censor my mouth and stuff.
This good hell.
But this is beat me.
Oh, good. I taste that texture, that texture, that texture. I hate cheesecake, but every time DM make any dessert with cheesecake, it is fire. I only eat his cheesecake. I only eat his cheesecake. Nobody
I don't
else.
even trust you.
Y'all,
Not even my great grandma.
it's got my knees weak, bro. I can't even stand up straight.
Crumble egg.
Take a bite for me real quick. You already know
Goodbye.
you want to.
Right, right.
Oh, ooh.
It's like an explosion in his mouth.
It's
She lying.
good.
She trying to hide the bussin'.
Touch your soul. So, Rich, everyone, how was it? Y'all, official or review?
Great, delicious.
Excellent.
And I
I
love
mean,
me
also, it
the
was horrible.
Wow.
It was
Say
amazing.
it, Lloyd.
It was amazing.
It was.
You like it, Serenity?
It was horrible.
What?
So the camera hanging up, bro. That's crazy.
So, all right, y'all, that's it for this. I'm glad you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, like it, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and hey, we out.
And be
On the
quiet.
big M.
Be quiet.